Tommy's Margarita is a fresh and modern twist on the classic margarita. This version emphasizes the rich flavor of agave by using agave nectar instead of the usual triple sec or orange liqueur. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces tequila, preferably 100% blue agave tequila, 1 ounce agave nectar. You may adjust the amount according to taste. 1 ounce fresh lime juice, freshly squeezed for the best taste. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, jigger, strainer, rocks glass, ice cubes. Here are the instructions. Fill a cocktail shaker with ice cubes. Add 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of agave nectar, and 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice into the shaker. Shake well until the mixture is chilled and well combined. Strain the mixture into a rocks glass filled with ice. Garnish with a lime wedge or twist, if desired. Tommy's Margarita was created in the 1990s by Julio Bermejo at Tommy's Mexican restaurant in San Francisco. It has since become a modern classic, celebrated for its simplicity and emphasis on high-quality ingredients.